Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a new camera and I'm really excited, and I decided to film my Ipsy glam bag unboxing for you guys. Is there something different? Okay, so my hair is different. No, it's not permanent, of course. A lot of YouTubers, I've been looking at their channel and I was just like, oh, I want a wig. Wigs have been so into this year, and every girl out there has a wig, and it's so cool because you can literally change your hair and you don't have to go through the process, which is really cool. And it's like black roots with silver, and I've always loved silver hair. I don't know why I've had an infatuation with silver hair. I don't know, but I think it looks so cool. I don't like the way it looks on top of my head, so I placed a beanie over it and I just winging it like that. Wigging it. Funny. Huh? But yeah, I just didn't like it. It looked very wiggy, and the cool thing about it is you just put a beanie over it and it's cold outside and it's really cute. I really like it. I'm really feeling it. So yeah, and I think I got this, where did I get this wig? I got it off Amazon, and it's so silky smooth. The only thing I don't like about it is that I can't style it for the life of me. I've put like a heating tool over it and it just wasn't holding the curls, so whatever. I'll just put some texture spray and rock it. I think it's fun, I think it's different, and yeah. So let's get unboxing to my November Ipsy, and yeah, let's start. So this month it says be the rock star. The rock star. I think this is like the rock star look, right? So yeah, a lot of people don't know I like to sing and just have fun. As rock out for the knockout. Check out
backstage access to like open mics, makeup and music inspo, artists,
and all that fun stuff over here. So the bag this month is so cute. You take a moment and see these little stars. I think I would give this bag to my sister because she loves stars, and it feels very, what is the word I'm looking for? Micro. It's very soft and cushy and squishy. I think it's really cute. And the zipper is a star. So when I open my box for this month, it's Pure Lisse. I'm gonna zoom into it for you. Pure Lisse is a hydrating moisturizer. Moisturizer, hydration, fine prevention, perfect for under makeup. As you guys know, I love putting a lotion over my face, a primer, and then my foundation, and it lasts all day long, especially for the winter time, because the winter time my face is dry. My face is always dry all the time. I don't know what it's just so dehydrating. And then after, when I put all that powder and crazy stuff over my face, you set it with a setting spray, and that setting spray is going to melt everything on the skin and make it look perfect. So that's why I love using moisturizers. It makes my makeup even last longer, and it makes me feel healthy, and it makes my makeup look bomb. So this is a cool, and it's white as you see, and it's very smooth, and it's just, it already feels hydrating. I think I love lotions. I love when Ipsy sends me lotions because I use them all the time. So I love lotions. Blue Lotus, in powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea offers antibacterial and skin smoothing abilities. So it's really good because it hydrates, not only but hydrating, it cleans out your skin for all that bacteria stuff. And this has vitamin E in it, and aging improves skin's texture, and yeah. Oh my god. If you guys know, I love Better Than Sex mascara. I've been dying to get a new one because mine is about to be like RIP mode, but this mascara, I'm wearing it even right now, it makes my eyelashes touch Jesus. It's like long, luscious, and it makes all the individual lashes just fleek. So that being said, I love, even it says it right here in the packaging. I actually have one that's waterproof. It's the blue bottle. This is the pink bottle. And this is by Too Faced. So you guys know how the packaging looks like if you see my channel. But yeah, this is it. I even have a purple one, the one that came with Nikki's palette. And so I shouldn't have to go over this. And you just need one coat. I put like 5. But that being said, my mascara always lasts all day, and it doesn't feel clunky. Like, you know when you touch your eyelashes and they feel like they have 100 pounds of mascara? This does not make you feel that way. Honey, Formula X. God to know, I need to paint my nails. This is a nail polish. Ooh, I love metallic nail polishes. Oh my gosh, where can I try this out? Let me just zoom in for you guys. Nail polish. The brush is so tiny. But yeah, I'm gonna take a swatch in the back of this card here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's blue with greens on it. So this nail polish is blue with green. So if you hit it, it depends on what you hit the light on. I thought it was like an olive color the way it looks on the bottle, but it's blue with green on it. It looks really pretty for the fall, especially for like Thanksgiving, Christmas time. So I'm really digging this. I might have this as my next color. I've been laying low off my tips. I usually get like nails over like acrylics, but I've been laying low on that because I've been trying to get my nails healthier. Growing my nails is like the worst thing of the worst because literally, I don't know, but my nails never grow and they always like tend to like fall apart. I hate that. I don't know what's going on. The next thing I got is a brush, and this is a Luxie brush, and this is a stippling brush, and it just doesn't take as much product as you want it to on your face, so this gives it the perfect. This is good for your blushes. You know how sometimes you put a blush like with one of these heavy brushes and it just like looks like shit right here. It just clogs it up really a lot, the product too much, so this just gives it the perfect. This is even good for a highlighter. This is the Luxie 524 brush. This, I usually use my MAC, I'll show it to you. My MAC 187 SE. I use this to dust off all the Laura translucent powder underneath my eyes, but I will definitely use this as well for blending out all this stuff. Look at this. It's already dirty. You know how you put your contour and then I put my blush over it? I will blend these two out and it will become seamlessly and perfect and a bomb.com. Last thing I got was a lip balm, and this is from this is from Elizabeth Mott. That's so funny. It's funny because I work on Mott Street, so this is called Elizabeth Mott, and this is color is Bay lip lacquer in Mauve. I love Mauve shades. I think Mauve shades look so pretty on me. This right now is a Kylie lip kit that I'm wearing, mixed with another Kylie lip kit. I like to mix lippies. So this lippy, I believe, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love pinks and like purples together. It's like a dark pink. So those are mauve colors, and this is a lip stain. Oh, this is really pretty, and I would see myself wearing this a lot. And so nude, and if you put a gloss on it, it looks even beautiful, and I think this shade looks great in any time of season, so that's why I really love it. So yeah, things I loved and things I'm not so excited for. Honestly, this bag was so great. I love this. This beat last month's bag because last month wasn't so nice. So I'm excited to try out this lippy because this lippy is so pretty. I want to see how it's comfortable. So if you guys want more updates on it, definitely check it out on my Twitter page because I will definitely let you know. I'm also excited for the X Formula nail polish because I love nail polishes when they give them to me. Lotion. I love the lotion. The lotion's really cool. I love the more the merrier of lotions. The brush, come on. And the mascara. I love this mascara. I think honestly there's nothing in this bag that I hated. I loved everything on it. I'm just really excited for this lippy, and there's nothing that I hated from the bag. So if I could change anything, it wouldn't be anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy subscription box for November because I want to know if you got this amazing stuff as well. I don't think of anything else to say, but I love you guys. Thank you so much, and until next time.